Hi, I'm Dave Harmeyer, one of the APU librarians, and this is another 30-second library tip for regional campus grad and professional students. In this video, we'll learn about getting textbooks for free. Go to APU's library page. Click here where it says Books and Media. Click in the box and type in the title of your textbook. For example, Theory and Practice of Counseling and PSY Psychotherapy, and click the search button. Your textbook should be one of the first in your results. Click on the title. Then over on the right-hand side, click the red button, Request from Interlibrary Loan. You may be asked to be authenticated. Scroll down in this form, click the box next to Copyright Acknowledged. Under Pickup Location, click on the drop-down box and choose By Mail, and then click Submit Request. In 5 to 7 days, it's in your hands with a postpaid envelope. I'm Dave Harmeyer, and this has been another 30-second library tip.